Lured by the Lake is an inviting lakefront home with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. The main level will greet you with wall-to-wall windows that bring the outdoors in. The layout is open and spacious and ready for your family to make lasting memories. In front of the wood-burning fireplace, turn on the flat screen and snuggle up with your loved ones on the large sectional sofa. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances and granite counters. Enjoy meals at the breakfast bar or around the 8-seated dining table. The extended deck will be a great place to hang out on warm summer days. Grill up your favorite foods and appreciate lake breezes and the beauty all around you. The main level master suite has a king bed, direct access to the deck, and a private full bathroom. Upstairs, there are 2 lovely lakeside bedrooms and a full bathroom for your convenience. The appealing lower-level family room has a pool table, card table, gas fireplace, and comfortable seating. The lower-level master suite has direct access to the patio, a charming 4-poster queen bed, and a private full bathroom. The bedroom with 2 twin beds and a futon is a great spot for the kids. The lower-level patio provides you with even more space to relax and have fun. The fire pit will bring the family together for lots of laughs and gooey marshmallow roasting. Take a dip in the hot tub while boats cruise by on the lake. Your designated dock slip will give you an amazing place to swim and enjoy Deep Creek Lake on sunny days. You will be less than 2 miles from Deep Creek Lake State Park and a short drive to Wisp Resort and many wonderful restaurants and attractions. Come to Lured by the Lake today for a wonderful Deep Creek vacation.